sequences in problem 1 to 7. So first one is an equals to n into n plus 2. Okay, see the first one. An equals to n into n plus 2. Here first 5 terms where n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, put n equals to 1. Put n equals to 1. So a1 equals to 1 into 1 plus 2. That is 1 into 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 1 3 is 3. Next, put n equals to 2. So a2 equals to 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 2 plus 2, 4. 2 4 is 8. Put n equals to 3. a3 equals to 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 into 3 plus 2. So 3 into 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 5 is 15. Put n equals to 4. a4 equals to 4 into 4 plus 2. That is 4 into 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 6 is 24. n equals to 5. a5 equals to, so 5 into 5 plus 2, that is 5 into 7. 5 into 7, 5 7 is 35. Therefore, the first 5 terms are, the first 5 terms are 3, 8, 15, 24, 35. Okay, see the second problem. Here what is given? An equals to 2 power n, where n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, same concept. Put n equals to 2. So n equals to 1. a1 equals to 2 power 1, that is 2. n equals to 2. a2 equals to 2 square. a2 equals to 2 square. 2 square means nothing but 2 times 2. So 4. 2 square value 4. n equals to 3. a3 equals to 2 power 3. 2 power 3 value 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. n equals to 4. a4 equals to, put n equals to 4. a4 equals to 2 power 4. 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 2 is 16. n equals to 5. So a5 equals to 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 value write to 5 times. 2 power 5 is 32. Problem 3. an equals to 2n minus 3 by 6. See, an equals to 2n minus 3 by 6, where n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, put n equals to 1. n equals to 1. 2 into 1 minus 3 by 6. 2 1s are 2. Minus 3 by 6, that is minus 1 by 6. a2 equals to 2 times of 2 minus 3 by 6. 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 by 6, that is 1 by 6. a3 equals to 2 times of 3 minus 3 by 6. 2 3 is 6 minus 3 by 6, that is 3 by 6. 3 1 is 3 2 is 1 by 2. Next, a4 equals to, now a4 2 times of 4 minus 3 by 6. 2 4 is 8 minus 3 by 6, that is 5 by 6. a5, so 2 times of 5 minus 3 by 6. 2 5 is 10 minus 3 by 6. So 7 by 6. So the first 5 terms are, first term is minus 1 by 6. Second one is 1 by 6. Third one is 1 by 2. Fourth one is 5 by 6. Fifth one is 7 by 6. Okay. Next, coming to the fourth one, an equals to minus 1 power n minus 1 into 5 power n plus 1, where n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. a1 equals to minus 1 power 1 value. Put n equals to 1 minus 1 into 5 power 1 plus 1. So that equals to minus 1 power 1 minus 1 is 0. So into 5 square. So anything power 0 value 1. 1 times of 5 square value 25, that is 25. Next, a2 equals to minus 1 power. See, a2 equals to minus 1 power 2 minus 1 into 5 power 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 power 2 minus 1 is 1, this is 5 cube. Okay, so that equals to minus 1 power 1 is minus 1 into 5 cube, leave it, otherwise minus 1 into 5 cube is minus 125. Next, A3 equals to minus 1 power 3 minus 1 into 5 power 3 plus 1, 5 power 3 plus 1, that equals to minus 1 power 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 power 4. So minus 1 square, minus 1 power even number is 1, 5 power 4, 5 is 25, 25 is 125, 125 is 625. That is 625. A4 equals to minus 1 power 4 minus 1 into 5 power 4 plus 1, that equals to minus 1 power 4 minus 1 is 3, okay, into 5 power 5. So minus 1 power 3 is minus 1, 5 power 5, 625 into 5, how much? 625 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 12, 1 balance, 5 6 is 30, 30 plus 1 is 31. 3125. So that is 5 power 5. So minus 3125. Because here negative symbol is there. Next, last one, A5, that equals to minus 1 power 5 minus 1, 5 power 5 plus 1. So minus 1 power 5 minus 1 is minus 1 power 4 into 5 power 6. So minus 1 power even number is 1, 5 power 6. So 5 power 6 again multiply with 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 12 balance, 5 1 is 5, 6, 5 3 is 15. 15625. So 156, 15,625. Therefore, the first 5 terms are first one is 25, second one is minus 125, third one is 625, fourth one is minus 3,225, sorry, minus 3,125, last one is 15,625. Fifth problem, an equals to n into n square plus 5 by 4. An equals to n into n square plus 5 by 4, where n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A1 equals to 1 into 1 square plus 5 by 4, that equals to 1 into 1 square value 1 plus 5 by 4. So that equals to 1 into 1 plus 5 is 6 by 4. So 2 3 times, 2 2 times. So 1 into 3 by 2. 1 into 3 by 2 is 3 by 2. Next, A2 equals to 2 into 2 square plus 5 by 4. 2 into 2 square value 4 plus 5 by 4. So 2 into 4 plus 5 is 9 by 4. Okay, 2 into 4 plus 9 by 4. 2 into 9 by 4, 2 times. So 9 by 2. Next, A3 equals to 3 into 3 square plus 5 by 4. So 3 into 3 square value 9 plus 5 by 4. 3 into 9 plus 5 is 14 by 4. 2 7 times, 2 times. So 3 into 7 by 2. 3 7 is 21 by 2. Next, A4. 4 into 4 square plus 5 by 4. 4 into 4 square value 16 plus 5 by 4. So here 4 get cancelled. 16 plus 5 is 21. Last one is A5. So 5 into 5 square plus 5 by 4. So 5 into 5 square value 25 plus 5 by 4. Okay. So that equals to 5 into 25 plus 5 is 30 by 4. 2 times 2, 15 times. 15 5 is 75 by 2. Okay. Now coming to the sixth problem. An equals to n plus 5, where n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first A1 equals to 1 plus 5, that is 6. A2 equals to 2 plus 5, n equal to 2, 2 plus 5, 7. A3 equals to 3 plus 5, 8. A4 equals to 4 plus 5, 9. A5 equals to 5 plus 5, 10. Therefore, the first 5 terms are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the fifth problem, first 5 terms are 3 by 2, 9 by 2, 21 by 2, 21, 75 by 2. Seventh one, a n equals to n minus 3 by 4. a n equals to n minus 3 by 4, where n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If n equals to 1, a1 equals to 1 minus 3 by 4. That is 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So minus 1 by 2. n equals to 2. a2 equals to 2 minus 3 by 4. n equals to 2. 2 minus 3 by 4, that is minus 1 by 4. n equals to 3. a3 equals to 3 minus 3 by 4, that is 0 by 4. n equals to 4. a4 equals to 4 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. If n equals to 5, a5 equals to 5 minus 3 by 4, that is 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2. The first five terms are minus half, minus 1/4, 0 by anything is 0, 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Seventh one, a n equals to n minus 3 by 4. a n equals to n minus 3 by 4, where n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If n equals to 1, a1 equals to 1 minus 3 by 4. That is 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So minus 1 by 2. n equals to 2. a2 equals to 2 minus 3 by 4. n equals to 2. 2 minus 3 by 4, that is minus 1 by 4. n equals to 3. a3 equals to 3 minus 3 by 4, that is 0 by 4. n equals to 4. a4 equals to 4 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. If n equals to 5, a5 equals to 5 minus 3 by 4, that is 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2. The first five terms are minus half, minus 1/4, 0 by anything is 0, 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2.